Try, try, and try again. Remember, the only way you can fall is if you give up. A fire burning inside you is massive. It is waiting to burn bright. You are not scared. You are courageous. You're not weak. You are powerful. Fear of failure holds most people back. Create something that wasn't there before. It's bold, it's beautiful, and it's you. Stand tall and show the world what you are made of. When the world beats you down, find a reason to get back up again. Never give up on the success. Give it your best. Go for your dreams. It is your turn. Thank you, Ken Block, for inspiring us.